3, 4. Okay, let's go. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, you're welcome back to another lesson today. God bless you. Okay. In the last lesson, I taught you can just check the previous video before this. I taught you how to play a melody line, a Makossa melody line. And the melody line, you can either play this with a piano patch or an EP voice or even a guitar voice on your keyboard. All right. Yeah. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to play another Makossa Suku Seben style of music with the drop 2 concept. So I'm going to teach you on the key of C, okay, E flat, F, A flat, and should I add B flat also? Okay. So the drop 2 concepts for songs like this, there are songs that have this progression of 1 4 5 4 1 4 5 4 1. Okay, so this is the 4 on the key of C, and if I drop this second highest notes, it becomes this. Okay, so this is for, instead of playing the 4, you leave the 4, the F, which is the root for the bassist, and you play this. That is another way to carve out space for yourself so that you wouldn't clash with the bassist when playing together. So you have this, and for the R5 you have this, and for the 1 you have this. Okay, now for the full voice, full hand voicing, for the 4 you have this. So if you want to break down this chord, you have F major suspended second over here. You have C major suspended fourth. Okay, well, if you transfer it to this place, it becomes F major suspended second. And for this, you have what? G major suspended second and D suspended fourth. Okay, you can see the individual note on the string, and then the 1 you have it like this. Okay, so now let's put it in the context of the groove. 1 2 3 4. Now to spice it up, I'm going to do an inner voicing like this. Okay, you have this, you have this. This is a movement that is very common in the gospel world. Okay, and this thing that I'm teaching you, if you do not get it right, if you can't play it smoothly at the first instance, cut yourself some slack. Okay, when I learned this particular movement, I learned it on the key of E flat, but with consistent practice, I'm now able to play it on all the 12 keys. So I advocate that wherever you are learning, try also to learn it on each and every possible keys you can learn it on so that you can become more fluent while playing. Okay. Another thing I do is to, on this, I will have this grace note on my right hand like this. Then this. Then this. So let's put it in the context of the groove. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how you can make use of drop 2 to play makossa, play seben, play sukrus. Okay, this is something sweet. Okay, if you have not subscribed to the channel by now, come on, hit on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and do well to share this video with others. So let's move right to the key of C sharp. We are doing 6, 7, 1. So this is the voicing for the 6, the voicing for the 7, and the voicing for the 1. Okay, so let's apply the inner voicings to it. Let's move to the key of E flat. We are doing 4, 5, 1, right? But we are playing 7, 6, 7, 1. Okay, so for the 6, 7, 1, we have this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You see, the grace note gives it this nuance, it gives this sweetness to it. Okay. Okay, that's it on the key of E flat. Let's go to the key of F major. We are doing 4, 5, 1, but in reality we are playing 7, 6, 7, 1. Okay, leave the root note for the bassist. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the voicing for the 6, and this is the voicing for the 7, and then you have this for the 1. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, again. So, this thing that I'm teaching you, if you don't get it right at the very first instance of practicing it, all you need to do is just to keep practicing, because consistent practice is what makes good keyboardist, is what builds and molds wonderful pianists. So don't quit, don't stop because you are not getting it right. Okay, continue, continue, continue. I knew when I learned this progression, I struggled a bit. That was around 2016 stroke 2017. I was not as good as this, and I didn't have as much knowledge about the keys as I have right now. Then I practice it, like I saw someone, a friend played it, and it was nice and beautiful in a concert. So I told my friend to teach me, and he showed me. And even though I didn't understand the full concept about it as of then, I kept on practicing, and with time, I understood the concept about it. So, what you don't understand today, what you can't play well today, keep at it with time. Give it time. With time, you will be able to play it better than you are doing right now, and you'll be better than what you are right now. Okay, so we've done the key of F. Let's do the key of F sharp. So we are doing this. Okay, we are doing this other 6 7 1 6 7 6 7 1 7 6 7 1 7 6. Like, I really have to count so that I won't make the mistake. Okay, so this is the voicing. Two suspended chords. Okay, with the drop to concept. So let's 1 2 3 4. Okay, let's do the key of A flat. So we are doing 6. The key of A flat, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so we are doing 6 7 1 7 6. Okay, so for the 6 we are doing this 1 2 3 go. Okay, I missed it again. Can you imagine? 1 6 7 6 7 1 7 6 7 1. Okay, so on the key of B flat, we have 6 like this, we have 7 like this. Just pick up the voicing. Okay, pick up the voicing on the screen. Okay, you have the MIDI notation showing on the screen. So we have so which other key do you want me to teach you this? On the key of B, we have this. Oh, okay, B, we have this. So on the key of E major 1 2 1 1 2 3 4. So we are doing this. This is the 6, this is the 7, and this is the 1. Okay, so we are doing this. So 1 2 1 2 go. And which other key? On the key of A major. Okay, this is the 6. This is the 7. And this is the 1. So we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, again. 1 1 I'm making mistake over somewhere. 1. And which other key have we left out? Okay, I think the only key remaining is the key of D. So on the key of D, this is 1, this is 7, and this is 6. So we are doing 6, 7, 1. So for the 6, you have this 6, and for the 7, you have this, and the 1, you have this. Okay, so for the 6, we have this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. So literally we've done this progression, we've learned this on the 12 keys. Okay, so take your time and try to replicate this movement on the 12 keys, and you've added another spice, another variation to what you can play when it comes to the 1 4 5 4 chord progression, especially during our praise. You have praise like Chineke idima, idima, Chineke idima, Chineke idima. You can play this progression. Chineke idima, Chineke idima. Okay, 4 5 4 1, 4 5 4 1. So the bedrock of this is for you just to understand the concept, and when you understand the concept, you will be able to apply it to any song that goes with that progression. Okay, thank you very much for joining the lesson today. God bless you. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And if you love to join my Novice to Pro online piano class, also the link be in the description box for you to message me on WhatsApp for you to get more details about this class. It is a paid class, and there I have one-on-one lessons with my students, live lessons with my students, either for a duration of 4 weeks or for a duration of 8 weeks.